You're with me? मेरे साथ है जी?
जी सर।
Yes, sir.
I apologize. मेरी आज नेट का कुछ करना पड़े, ठीक? Similarly, this counseling session, okay? Yes, but. So the moment that happened, okay, Hassan ne jab, so I said, okay. She said, he doesn't listen to me. So I said, what would, मैंने कोई counter position नहीं ली जैसे हसन ले रहा था, ठीक? What would let you know that Hassan has listened to? She said, he should look at me. Now again, I have invited her, don't take a counter position, both of them, but I asked Alia, what would let you know that Hassan is listening to you? And she said, okay, जैसे relevance की बात थी, if he looks at me, remember, आगे हम बात करेंगे separate first position from person, number 2 separate needs from want, और आगे बात है needs और चीज होती है, wants हम और तरीके से express करते हैं. उसकी need थी कि मुझे attention दे, मेरी तरफ देखे, but वो express किस तरह से कर रही थी? By taking a position. But if you force people, okay, what is your underlying need? What? So she said it. And then I said, यहाँ पे again, as I said, Hassan, after you've done with working, काउच पे बैठो और आपस में गपशप एक दूसरे के साथ एक दूसरे को देख के करो. Is it too difficult? He said, नहीं सर मैं कर सकता. Done. So वो जो स्पाइरल था वो फर्स्ट स्टेप 1 पे ही रोक दिया गया. KLPs, separate person from position. Don't rush to take a position. There's an instinct in us to take a position. WAIT. Once we're taken a position, we're hostage to that position. What we are hostage to? We're hostage to our attitudes, which are in turn formed our beliefs, values, affect. We're hostage to our perceptions. We're hostage to our conditioning, and we just find it hard to move from the position. And then other person takes a counter position, the both parties can't move from the position. So there are underlying things in position. Number 3, KLP from the first step. If you don't take a position, you ask not a counter position, but a counter question. Okay, you think that information is relevant? Tell me how this point is relevant. You think,
ये KLP रिपीट कीजिएगा.
you think I want more. जी, एक second. You say I want.
सही जो KLP आपने बताई थी.
कौन सी वाली बेटा?
आपने जो कहा था ना, don't.
जी जी बोलिए.
वो don't rush too early.
Don't. We
ये
have a
वो जो थी.
tendency. We have a tendency to take a position. Position से मुराद ये नहीं है hierarchy. To position in to take a position in a situation. ठीक है? पता है ना, कोई आदमी कहता है कि यार क्या है, इमरान खान क्या कर रहा है? अब आप कोई नॉलेज नहीं है पॉलिटिक्स का, कोई पता नहीं है मुल्क कैसे चल रहा है. ऐसे लगता है जैसे काबीना की मीटिंग में या मतलब कोर कमांडर मीटिंग में टेबल के नीचे बैठे हुए थे. मेरा ये ख्याल है जनाब के यहाँ पर जो है ना इमरान खान को उतारने के लिए, दिस इज अ पोजीशन, यू हैव टेकन अ पोजीशन. सो नोटिस, सो एंकरिंग की तरह, don't take a position. There's an urge in us because we think we are intelligent, we think we know the world. Well, we are intelligent to a certain degree, but पीछे बात याद रखें, how much you should trust your intelligence in terms, how much you should trust your experiences. You trust your intelligence, the earth is flat. So we have this inherent tendency and rush to take a position. But once we've taken a position, we become a hostage of, then the position controls us, like external FOR. That controls us. Then it's hard to wriggle out of that position. Okay? You are a hostage of that position. You have to keep justifying. Because to move away from that position is to move away essentially from your whole self, from your identity, from the mental models that has worked for you in the past, from the schemas, from the things that give you confidence, from the things that have helped you navigate in life up till now. Okay, so don't do it. Don't, जैसे एंकरिंग में मैंने कहा था बी केयरफुल, नेगोशिएशन में कोई एंकर फेंके बी, इसमें सिर्फ सेंसिटाइजेशन ही काफी है. ओके, आपको पता है एंकर क्या होता है, किसी ने कहा ओके 15 से 20,000, इफ यू एक्सेप्ट इट, फिर आप 25 और 10 के बीच आगे मूव नहीं कर सकते. बट इफ यू मूव बैक और एंकर नहीं गिरता, change the topic, look other way, and then you counter anchor. Now this is negotiation, and negotiation by essence is very Machiavellian, so it might, so you get the idea. So don't rush to take a position, because then you become a victim of your position. Don't, once you've taken a position, then you keep on justifying, like that is happening. Let's assume I've said, she said your answer is too long and detailed. She said, but all the information is relevant. And I have said, she said, yes, but all the information is relevant. And I had said, yes, but I've told you it's too long. And the marks I've given are right. Maybe she walked away, but she would walk away with resentment कि शायद I was right. सर ने मेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं दिया मैंने. But if I say, if I don't take a position, I say, okay, yes, but she has taken a position. Yes, but is a sign of position. And I say, okay, explain the relevance of this point. Explain the relevance of this point. Explain the relevance of this point. Then she is in a conundrum. Now she has to apply the intellectual frame कि ये कैसे relevant है. Remember Gestalt principle, whole, somebody उसके कान में क्या हो, सर को कहो सारी चीजें relevant है. Because people learn from experience. Maybe they tried it with other teachers and they said, they might have said कि नहीं मैंने कहा है, और उन्होंने बाद में अपने आप को हॉस्टल में कहा देखो यार कितना बुरा टीचर है, मैंने तो कहा था. But I put her, I said, no, listen, you can't do it with me. This yes, but you've taken a position. I am not falling a victim. I'm not going to take a counter position. I'm going to ask you some probing question. Is explain to me how this information, you said this is relevant. Tell me how is it relevant. Okay. Yes, but I can listen to you and work at the same time. This is a position. A counter position would be resentment and a further continuation of argument. Okay. So I asked her that instead of taking a counter position, Alia, tell me what would let you know that Hassan. So she gave her intellectual part came into play. You with me? So these are attending to the other person's needs. ठीक? For ease मैंने लिख दी है. What needs to happen so it is right for you? What can I do for you? What do you want from me? What do you need from me? How can I help you? Okay. In this, what are you after? Okay. Now these are questions in our day-to-day discourse we don't ask. But after this course is over, hopefully you should be well equipped in your transaction to ask the person, especially people who are high on agreeableness. This correlates with accommodation and avoidance. Okay, this report is to, so what you like me to do? How would you like me to improve on this situation? What exactly are your expectations from me in the next quarter? What KPIs I need to deliver? Tell me. Managers are vague and ambiguous for a reason, so that things are wishy-washy. They say, do the best you can. You say, okay, no, tell me specifically what areas. Sir, now you don't have, there are other things, time constraint. There are many people think that being emotional means that you have expressed emotions. No, being emotional is very different from expressing emotions. You can express your emotions and you can be very firm without being emotional. किसी भी social interaction में there are significant features and there are dramatic features. जो dramatic features हैं, they are expression of emotions, and people fall into the illusion that we have expressed our emotions. No, they have not. They have just being emotional. Significant features ये हैं कि आप emotional ना हो, firm, polite और sternly अपना concern बताएं, कि आपसे पूछें अगले बंदे से कि क्या चाहिए भाई आपको, क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं आप मेरे से, आप चाहते क्या हैं, आपका मसला क्या है. मसला शायद मे बी रॉन्ग वर्ड है, शायद ट्रिगर कर दे. मतलब क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस है आपकी मेरे से इन द नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर, क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस है मेरी आपसे जब सास गा रहा है, क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन मैं आपसे, अगला अगर हस्बैंड कंसिडरेट है या पार्टनर, क्या चाहती हैं आप कि मैं आपको अटेंशन दूं, क्या क्या व्हाट वुड सेटिस्फाई यू, कि व्हाट आई नीड टू डू टू प्रूव दैट आई लव यू, व्हाटएवर. यू गेट मी.
यस सर.
दिस इज स्टेप 1. स्टेप 2, जो मेरी पाका फॉलोअर का मैंने एग्जांपल भी दे दी थी, सेपरेट needs from wants. Now we are very good, so we are very bad in needs is something else and wants is something else. A need might be, let's say, very simplistic term mein, you're thirsty, okay, or you want some rest, you have not slept, okay, or you want to be left alone. This is a need. How is it expressed? Yeah, why can't people leave me alone? Yeah, remember mood. अरे क्या चक्कर है यार, पानी क्या मतलब, क्या मसला है यार. सो जब हम वांट्स एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, मे बी देयर इज अ कंडीशनिंग एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट, मे बी देयर इज अ फ्रॉइडियन एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट. वांट्स में हम थोड़ा सा ना, इट्स अ शेम इन डायरेक्टली आस्किंग आवर नीड्स. लिसन, आई नीड टू हैव सम रेस्ट, वोंट यू माइंड इफ यू, मैं एक घंटे के लिए सो जाऊं, आई नीड टू रीड, would you respect that and leave me, do something else and I'll talk to you after an hour. See, but that is not happening. So this is the example we've already covered, because the problem is when people do not go deep into needs and just state their wants, they reach a compromise. This example you remember, a compromise is 50-50. This is not resolution. If had they explored the underlying needs, they would have known that they can have reach a state of resolution. If only. So let's say a wife needs attention. This is her underlying need. See, or more wants to spend more time with the husband. This is the need. How would she would express this need? What would be the language of wants? Why are you always late from the office? Okay. Always. Hot button word. What should I do? Should I quit my job? So ऐसे सिनेरियो में क्या होते हैं, लोग कहते हैं अच्छा जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैं वापस जा रहा हूँ. But the ideal state is to ask, to explore what are the underlying needs. She needs to spend more time with her. She needs more affection, more love, affiliation. But the way she is expressing it is different. She is saying, why are you always late? Now here's an interesting thing. Let's see how much linkages have been developed. Have we discussed it? There's a manager and there's a manager. An effective manager digs deep because actual needs, actual problems are buried deep in an overlying coating of cribbing, complaining, wanting extra pay, एब्सेंटीज्म, उस लोफिंग, उसके ये ऊपर आपको नजर आ रहा है. रियल प्रॉब्लम, real need is buried deep or beneath these superficial things. Now, a manager A is an ineffective manager, but the manager B is an effective manager. How? He knows that wants are different from needs, so he digs deep to find out the underlying needs. Have we discussed it? राविया बेटा,
मैनेजर्स के ये हमने देखे तो थे
कौन सी एग्जांपल? एक इंडस्ट्रियल
सर,
नोट्स.
वो एक राशिदा वाली और एक इस तरह से हमने जो किए थे.
हाँ, कौन सी?
एक स्लाइड्स में आपने हमें क्लास में करवाया था ना, राशिदा एक मैनेजर और एक नसीरा या नासिर.
No, not that. That was Theory X, Theory Y, I believe. Remember the secretary who was constantly asking for pay raise, although her pay was according to the industry standards, and the previous manager was just brushing her off. कि यार, are you being unreasonable? Remember that? पूरी फिर मैंने आपको स्टेप वाइज दिखाया था, प्रोग्रेशन
Yes, sir.
ऑफ फीलिंग. जी वकास साहब, आपको याद है?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, can you थोड़ा सा बात कर सकते हैं उस पर?
सर बेसिकली उसमें जो सेक्रेटरी थी सर, वो हर टाइम जो थी ना, आप बोलती रहती कि नो वन इज लिसनिंग मी, नो वन शोज एम्पैथी टू मी.
गुड.
और उसमें था कि सर जो मेरी पे है वो एज कम्पेयर टू कम है, और उसमें से उसमें काफी ज्यादा वो बस ब्लेम कर रही थी.
उसकी रियल
उनके बाद
टेंशन थी सर, वो अटेंशन चाहती थी.
एक्सीलेंट राबिया, अटेंशन. जी मोहसिन बोले.
तो मैं यही कहने लगा था, और रवि ने पहले कह दिया कि अटेंशन, उसका जो बैग में था वो
राबिया
अटेंशन.
ने बता दिया. वकास, आप कुछ बात कर रहे थे. यू वर ऑन द राइट ट्रैक.
सर यही था सर.
अच्छा, और she was getting insecure because why?
एक तो उसने फादर की,
मैं और एम्प्लॉय भी हायर हो रहा था.
फादर की हेल्प पे भी किया था.
वो एक ईगो डिफेंस, मैंने कहा था ना, जस्टिफिकेशन, सेल्फ इमेज पूरा नहीं तबाह करना. तो उसने कहा था मुझे इतनी जरूरत भी नहीं है वैसे जॉब. ठीक. So you can revise that industry note. So that is the linkage from that point. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are the questions, some examples. These are why questions. So you come, why is it important to you? Progression. Again, I'm going to repeat it. Progression of feeling mein, you encourage people to say things because we're conditioned. मैंने वो JP की वीडियो में, we're conditioned in a culture, fake culture of superficial politeness, and उसके बदले में we've sacrificed character, truthfulness, and integrity. So the only way to salvage that is to ask this under revealing questions. So why is it when the husband says, why is it important that if I'm late or not? Now she is in a position. Well, what should I not work? Is this what you want? No. Then why? Please, darling, sweetheart, प्यार से, firmly, without being emotional. I'm gonna go back to the emotional features and the significant features of human interactions. उसकी psychology में नहीं जाऊँगा, but ये दो लफ्ज़ याद रखना. Be significant. Don't be dramatic. So why? Why does it matter if I come? Then in a polite way, you are moving her. She would be relaxed. First of all, because you haven't taken a counter position. And you have now put her in a situation where she reveals slowly. Okay, you sit down, you sip a coffee, say, okay, talk to me. And in a progression of feeling, she would say things that are true but unsafe, that I miss you. these things sometimes in a power hierarchy people don't want to say, but these are the things we need. मैंने scarcity of love और scarcity of time की बात की अपनी recorded lecture में. Why does it matter to you? Why does it matter to you so much? Why do you really want the corner office? This office is right.
बेसिकली
मुझे 20 साल में आ रहा हूँ वकास साहब, मुझे 20 साल हो गए हैं. कॉर्नर ऑफिस एक वांट है, उसकी अंडरलाइंग नीड क्या है? प्रेस्टीज. कॉर्नर ऑफिस इज अ साइन ऑफ प्रेस्टीज. मुझे 2 PA चाहिए. Why do you want 2 PA? Not to put the other person down, but to reveal the सर 10 साल हो गए हैं, मेरे से बाद में आने वाले भी लोग हैं, उनके पास भी एक सेक्रेटरी है. Fair enough. So it's the need for prestige, the need for acknowledgement that you have been here for 20 years. Let me see what I can do about it. Let me see if there's an additional staff who will assign you an additional secretary. बात तो मसला रिजॉल्व करना है ना, ईगो नहीं लानी, पोजीशन नहीं लानी. जी वकास साहब आप बात कर रहे थे.
ये सब जो कॉर्नर ऑफिस पे बात थी कि बेसिकली सर बहुत सी लोग इसको डिमांड करते हैं ना अपने ना कॉर्नर में.
जी
सर एक तो सर उस पे वो अपनी प्राइवेसी के होते हैं कि एक
कुछ
प्रेस्टीज
लोग
होता है, एक प्राइवेसी होता है.
प्रेस्टीज के लिए, सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू, कुछ लोग प्रेस्टीज के लिए मांगते हैं यूजुअली, जो कि बहुत लंबे अरसे से हो. ठीक, अब एक एमटीओ आया वो कहे कॉर्नर ऑफिस, then you can say why it is important to you. Maybe it's the view, I don't know, but the thing is, the moment you go, you want to reveal, okay, yeah. Why do you want the corner office? Why is it so important to you? What is wrong with your current office? I mean, it has 4 walls and a ceiling. You're a junior manager, okay? Sometimes you have to assert yourself. Okay? Like respect. Respect, you can't demand respect. Command it. You don't ask people respect me. Why should I get to respect anybody? You have to earn my respect. And vice versa, I have to earn your respect. I don't get to demand your respect. So somebody says, well, forget आप लेक्चर प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, आज ही मेरे साथ दिन में हुआ, मेरे से बात करें. मैंने कहा सॉरी क्यों? स्टूडेंट्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट. आज क्लास है, I'll talk to you tomorrow. अगर जिंदा रहे इन कोरोना के माहौल में, ठीक. So you have to sometimes remember, ये चीजें सारी interlinked हैं. Avoidance, you have to assert yourself. मैंने राबिया से कहा था, especially female, be aggressive negotiation. Don't avoid, don't accommodate, assert, listen. अगर आपको 20 साल हो गए राबिया, अगर आपने कंट्रीब्यूट किया, परसीव्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, अगर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एक्नॉलेज करती है आपके कंट्रीब्यूशन, तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रेसिप्रोकेट करेगी. लेकिन अगर you're green, fresh off the board, green behind the ear, a young junior intern, and you say, okay, I want this and this and this, and the people, you know, these are harsh realities. People would say, listen, that is the door. It opens both ways. Don't let it hit you on your way out. I mean, who knows better than you than me? I'm an academic. You're the corporate people, the sharks. That is the environment. Okay, so iska matlab, please, not at any point means that we're having this peace for the sake of peace is nothing. like cozy feeling ke ji. No, this means this is a very rational approach. Somebody says, okay, somebody expects, उसकी नीड्स वो अपनी आप उससे देखते हैं, वो निकलवाते हैं सबसे पहले, ये एक इशू है. बहुत से लोग ये नहीं करते. निकलवाने के बाद आप देखते हैं अच्छा ये नीड इसकी ठीक है, बनती है, देन गिव इट. नहीं बनती, से नो, यू डोंट डिजर्व इट. ठीक. पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया था मैं, क्या बात हो रही थी इससे पहले. So yeah, step 2 is dig deep, progression of feeling to find the underlying needs. Why? Because we're bad at stating our underlying needs. The language of wants is very vague. It's riddled with the different things, with in between messages, with sometimes silence. Remember, sometimes silence. The wife might not say a word, you come late. She might give you a silent treatment. So you have to understand, you have to confront her and say, why are you silent? What is wrong? She says nothing. Say, no. There is something wrong. This is not the way you behave usually. What can I do? So if you avoid it and say, Yara chalo chodo, remember, go back to that video. It would accrue. After 8 years of marriage, she would announce, I've been unhappy for the last 8 years. Well, that is something to be announced weekly. I hope you catch that point. Ideally, daily. Set appraisal, immediate. Ideally, should be daily. When we were discussing this thing of being immediate, remember that?
Yes, sir.
Hopefully, आपका question answer हो गया होगा. Now, once the person we finished this, that you attended the person needs, you haven't taken a counter position, you've asked the person, you haven't justified the position, counter position spiral बढ़ता जाएगा, and no, you stop it there. Okay, then you find the other person's need, and then third thing is, okay, often sometimes spending too much time in problems. Okay, it again, like आप hostage हो जाते हैं अपने attitude के, आप problem के hostage हो जाते हैं. So sometimes you made a you remember जो मैंने आपको article दिया था, उसमें trip wires थी negotiation में, कि एक trip wire रखें कि ओके 2 घंटे प्रॉब्लम पे डिस्कशन करने के बाद ओके मैं सॉल्यूशन की तरफ जाऊंगा, because you cannot keep going on and on about problems. Okay, so it's a good thing. Let's say there's an L&D manager, वो कह रहा है मुझे लोग चाहिए ट्रेनिंग ड्यू हेल्थ एंड सेफ्टी की, एंड there's a प्रोडक्शन मैनेजर, वो कह रहा है मेरा प्रोडक्शन का स्केड्यूल है, ये इंटर डिपार्टमेंटल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में आगे आएगा, I cannot delay production for that long. Okay, so it's good. So there's a problem. So you say, okay, आपकी भी needs हैं, उसकी भी needs हैं, आपने उसकी needs जान ली. अब बेहतर ये होता है कि आप solution के लिए अगले बंदे को कहें. Remember, psychological co-option, power, motive, empowerment, participation, sense of commitment. So you say, okay, training तो सर होनी है. Okay, what is your solution? Should we stagger it? Should you give me every week 10 people? Can you give me every month 40 people? What is the best solution for you? So you invite other person's solution. Okay, once you invite other person's solution, the person is psychologically co-opted. He says that, okay, he understands my needs now, and he has also empowered me, given me a psychological co-option to give me the solution. So you'd be forced to say, okay, 40 a month would be a bit too much. मेरे production schedule disrupt होंगे, but 10 a week I can do. Okay. So इसमें ये फायदा है, ठीक, ये है क्वेश्चंस, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चन, जहां आपकी भी नीड पूरी हो और दूसरे की भी नीड पूरी हो. How can we solve this issue? You have your needs, I have my needs. I have to get the whole manufacturing department, maybe composing of 400 people, to be trained in the next fiscal year. You have your need to get the batch production in the next quarter. So how can we reach a common ground? How can we solve this issue? What do you suggest? How should we go about it? How would you solve, what is your solution, so that your needs are met and my needs are met? Step 4 is, many a times the person would give a solution, give an idea might not be, which might seem bad. देखें, आप लॉक्ड होते हैं, ये इंटर ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, इंटर डिपार्टमेंटल में आरसीटी में जा रहे हैं, आप कह रहे हैं आप लॉक्ड हैं कि यार मैंने ट्रेनिंग करानी है. बट अगर आप रेजोल्यूशन चाहते हैं तो आप उस आइडिया को, रिमेंबर फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन, रिमेंबर द फर्स्ट आइडिया, कहेंगे ओके यार ये तो मेरी ट्रेनिंग 10 बंदे पर वीक कैसे रीशेड्यूल करूंगा, सारा ट्रेनिंग कैलेंडर बनाया हुआ है. देन अगेन रेजोल्यूशन का ये 4th स्टेप पे, पहले 3 स्टेप करने के बावजूद 4th स्टेप पे यू विल फेल. So focus on that idea, reflect on it, think, maybe take a break and say, let me get back to my team and I'll come back. Okay. Now you go discuss and you say, listen, we have to get these trainings in the next fiscal year, so what should we do about it? And they say, okay, we can do it, we can reschedule, we can hire trainers, we can do with 10 people a week. And ठीक. So इसमें जो आइडिया है वो है, फर्स्ट वैलिडेट. देखो हर एक को तारीफ पसंद होती है. एंड देन लेट्स से आइडिया में कोई प्रॉब्लम भी है, देन शो योर कंसर्न. What I like about your suggestion on going to Thailand is it's amazing idea. We're gonna have a nice time. But what my concern is that there's a coronavirus, and or maybe we spend too much budget on traveling. So first validate people's idea. First appreciate their suggestion and then raise your concern. It's the other side of taking the position. First you validate their idea and then you show your concern, which is a mild form of taking a position. It's not rigidly a position because you put that after the validation. So here's a real example. So Ali says, आज हसन साहब नहीं है?
नहीं सर.
Oh, sir.
Okay. So कयूम ये क्या है? Can you read it?
Yes sir. सपोज सर अली कहता है कि मुझे आपका आइडिया पसंद आया, मतलब मुझे आपके आइडिया के बारे में जो पसंद है. जी सर, वैलिडेट कर रहा है. तो सबसे पहले उसने उसको सुना, उसको उसके आइडिया को वैलिडेट किया कि रिपोर्ट शॉर्टर होगी. फिर व्हाट कंसर्न्स मी इज द की सेल्स. फिर उसने अपना जो उसका वो था कंसर्न वो उसके सामने रखा रिजिडिटी को वो करने के लिए. कि मेरा कंसर्न ये कि सेल्स फिगर जो है वो उस पर एम्फसाइज नहीं होगा. तो हम क्या करें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, मतलब उसको क्वेश्चन करने लगा कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा विन विन सिचुएशन हो दोनों.
Yes, so this is, he's going back to step 3. ठीक, problem solving questions. ठीक, like how what do you suggest? Okay, so first you say, okay, this is, I like your suggestion, but these are my concern. But going forward, how can we do something that not only your solution is met, but my reservations are also addressed. ठीक? So they are like cyclical. These are not linear. इसीलिए मैंने last में ये डाला है. They are so you ideally you should start from here and then. So what this is attending to other person. what do you need from me? Okay, don't justify, ask. Okay, attend to other person, don't take a position. Then and why it is important to you, what is your underlying need? Okay, why does it matter to you so much that I should always accompany you to your friend's birthday party? Why? Okay, if her or his reasoning is valid, I say okay, I'll go with you, but maybe once in a month. Then okay, problem solving, what is, how would you see going forward, what are your solutions? See, then step 4 is, of course you have your concern, there is no ideal situation, you should validate, okay, I like your solution, these are my concerns, move back here to the problem solving. How would you give a new solution so that not only your needs are met but my concerns are also addressed? Done?
डन सर, डन सर।
Yes, sir.
तो हमने
सर
खुदा खुदा करके इन हालात में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट जो है वो खत्म कर दिया, बट वो नॉट डन। आज के हमारे एजेंडा में एक और चीज, ये देखो अभी तक अपलोड, ये पता नहीं कब से लगाई है मैंने, इसका क्या हो सकता है रीजन? ये इसमें वो हार्ड ड्राइव में मेरा स्पेस खत्म हो गया।
सर अपलोड नहीं हो रही?
अपलोड हो रही है लेकिन ये कोई 5-6 घंटे से लगी है।
नहीं सर, अपलोड का तो हार्ड ड्राइव से इशू नहीं होता सर, वो डाउनलोड का होता है।
नहीं तो ये टाइम क्यों लगा रही है इतना?
सर अगर आपका इंटरनेट बीच में वो डिस्कनेक्ट
इंटरनेट
हो
आज
गया था
बहुत
तो
प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है। अच्छा चलें, ठीक है, फेयर इनफ। सो
उसको री अपलोड करें ना कुछ।
ओके ठीक है, तो आज के सेशन के बाद करेंगे। अच्छा आगे, इंटर ग्रुप कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, रियलिस्टिक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट थ्योरी और रियलिस्टिक ग्रुप कॉन्फ्लिक्ट थ्योरी। प्री रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर में भी इसमें आपको काफी यार चीजें क्लियर हो जाएंगी।
तो सेशन हमारा अभी एक्सपायर हो जाएगा, हम दोबारा से रीज्वाइन करें?
क्या टाइम हुआ है
सर लेस देन 1 मिनट, ये अभी 5:32 हो गया सर।
अच्छा
जी सर।
हाँ, लेकिन हमने आज वो भी तो खत्म करना है ना यार। गोइंग ऑन एंड ऑन, अभी तो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में फंसे हुए हैं। तो समझ नहीं आ रहा है, ये मैच के लिए